Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add text behind the image or photo in any Android smartphone and tablet. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Text Behind Photo AI. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Just click on this continue without logging in. Now just untick this crop photo and just click on this select photo. Now select the image where you want to add a text behind the photo. So say I'll select this. Now it's analyzing the photo. So now you can see below edit text. Just click on this box and give any name, whichever name you want to give here. So I've given a name UniqueTutorials just to give you an example, and you can resize the font size also just by sliding. And now below here you can see the font style. You can just click on it and you can select different font styles here depending upon your needs. And below you can see the spacing. You can just increase or decrease the spacing in between the text or the alphabets. And next option is a color. Here you can see, just click on it. Under the color you can select the different font or text colors, and you can increase or decrease the outline colors. And now below you can see here outline position. So by default it will be selected in front. Now just click on it. Now you can see here behind the option, just click on it. Now you can see here I placed the text behind this object, and now on the above there is more options. Position, you can customize the x-axis, y-axis, and the rotation also. You can rotate it depending upon your needs, as you can see here. And next option is the effects. You can add various effects. You can add a blur effect. You can add a fade blur. So I'll just keep it as it is. And below there are more options: font variations, font size variation, font color variations here. So once you are done, you can see here export option. Just click on it. Now select the output folder where you want to save. Now click on save. So finally we have exported. Now let us go to the gallery. Now you can see here the image. So you can see here finally we have added the text behind the image or photo. So by using this cool application, you can easily add text behind the image or photo in any Android smartphone and tablet very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.